Hello everyone, welcome to SNS Study Station. So here the topic is net present value today. Okay, so if you have seen the introduction video of capital budgeting, so you know that it comes under modern methods. In traditional we have two methods. Traditional methods we have two, that is payback period and ARR, that has already been covered in the previous videos. Now modern methods. So modern methods means where we will consider time value of money. Okay, means if we are going to receive some amount in the future, so we will find out its present value. If any amount is to be received in the future, what is its value today? That is time value of money. The time value of money concept also, you know, we have covered in the earlier sessions. So today in modern method, the first one is net present value. It is nothing, just the difference between the present value of cash inflows and the present value of cash outflows. Formula also says the same thing. NPV equals present value of cash inflows minus present value of cash outflows. So cash outflows, if we talk about that, so it is your investment. Outflow, the money is going out the organization, so it is your investment, what you are investing today. So its value will be there today only. You don't need to find out its present value, but here the formula is like this. You have to remember that present value only we have to take, because the formula is net present value. So the investment, the amount which we are going to invest today, so that will be there in present value itself. So we have to take that amount and deduct it from present value of cash inflows. Cash inflows, the amount which we are going to receive in the future. Future values which we are going to receive. Okay, it can be once also you can receive some amount, or every year also you can receive some amount. So for that amount or amounts, we need to find out the present value. Okay, and present value also, you know how to find it out. Present value, it's 1 divided by 1 plus r to the power n. This is the formula for finding out the present value that you have, that you already know. Okay, so net present value is nothing, just the difference between the present values, present value of cash inflow and outflow. So if NPV is greater than 0, then we have to accept the project. If NPV is less than 0, then we have to reject the project. Okay, and if it is equal to 0, then may or may not, we can accept the project or not, depends. When it is greater than 0 means cash inflows we'll take first and we will subtract outflows from that. So that means inflows are more, means the amount which we are going to receive in the future is more than our investment, then that's good, we should accept it. If the amount which we are going to receive in the future is less than what we have invested, then obviously we should reject this. Okay, so concept about NPV, only this much is the concept. Now we'll start the question, we'll move towards the question. Okay, so you can see the first question. An investment, remember in mind, NPV, only simple formula we have, present value of cash inflows and present value of cash outflows. The difference we need to find out, and it should be positive, then only we should accept the project. Okay, so an investment of rupees 25,000 having a scrap value of 1,000 yields the following returns. Investment of 25,000 means investment is 25,000, that means cash outflow, it's in present value only, so cash outflow is given as 25,000. Clear? Now scrap value is 1,000. Okay, means at the end of the life of this asset, we can still sell it in 1,000 rupees, that is a scrap value. And each year we are going to receive this much CFAT. CFAT, cash flows after tax. First year, second, third, fourth, fifth year we are going to receive these amounts respectively. So cost of capital is 10%, means cash outflows we already have 25,000 rupees. Only for these CFAT we need to find out the present value with 10% rate. For present value, for finding that, we should have some discount rate. So this is the rate. And here they have, you don't need to find out even the PV factors. Here they have given for first to fifth years, these are the PV factors respectively. They have already calculated it. Okay, so first let's create the table and we'll start we'll write the year we'll write CF80 for each year. What is the CF80? And then we'll note down the PV factors that is already given in the question, 10%, and then obviously we will take present value. This we will find out. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years are there, and then first year we are receiving 10,000, second year it is 12,000, third 8,000, fourth year 8,000, and fifth year is 5,000. And PV factors also it is given 0.909 first year, 0.826, 0.751, 0.683, 0.620. This we will take. Now present value. Okay, so PV factor, you have this formula. If it is not given in the question, so you can use this formula. R is here cost of capital also they have given as 10%. So R is 10% means 0.10 we will keep it, and N is in what year we are there respectively, N we will take first year, N will be 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Like this we can calculate PV factors. So present value, just multiply these two. CF80 is the future value, and PV factor we have taken its present rates. Just multiply these two, you will get its present value. So it will be 10,000 multiply 0.909, it will be 9090, then 9912, 6008, 5464. Just check your answers. Okay. Then this. And one more thing, scrap value was given as 1000. So scrap value is also something that we are going to receive at the end of, in the 5th year itself, we will receive the scrap value. So scrap value, for that also we need to find out the present value. So we will take its rate as same as in 5th year, because 5th year its life will be ended. So we will get 5th year we will get 1000. So for that also we need to find out the present value. So it will be 620. I hope it is clear. Now just add all these present values. So total present value, okay, total present value of cash inflow equals to, when you will add all these present values, 5 years and then last 6 years, so you will get 34,194. And our initial investment was this, means it is present value of cash outflow. So less present value of cash outflow. So you will be okay here. So it is 25,000. So what amount we will get? 9194. So here we are getting a positive NPV. This is NPV. Okay, so only this much is there in the question, means you just need to take for outflow you don't need to calculate anything, that same amount you can keep. For inflows you need to find out present value with the help of PV factors, and then add all the present values and then find the difference. NPV is positive, then you can invest in this project. If NPV is negative, you should not invest. I hope it is clear. One more question we'll see. Okay, if you have any doubts you can put it in the comment box. So here in this question, two proposals are given. Proposal A, proposal B, its investment cost, means this is cash outflows. Okay, so these are cash outflows for both the proposals. Now for okay, CF80 for 3 years, means these are the future values, proposal A, proposal B respectively. Suggest the most attractive proposal on the basis of NPV method, considering that incomes are discounted. So he see here PV factors are not given, so we need to find out the PV factors at the rate 12%. So okay, so we'll create that same table. Year we will take, and then CF80 is given. I will note down all the things. So here I have written the CF80 for proposal A as well as for proposal B. Okay, now we need to find out the present value factor. 12% is given in the question. So just you know the formula, that is 1 divided by 1 plus r to the power n. R is 0.12. Okay, so and n is in the first year, n will be 1. 1 divided by 1 plus r to the power 1. So here we will get 0.893. In the same way we will calculate for second year and for third year. So this will be the values. So now just multiply the CF80 with the PV factors. For proposal A, we will get the values as 107160, then 95640, then it is 71200, and for B also 133 950, then second one is 119550. You can calculate on your own, okay, and just multiply the CF80 with the PV factors. That's it. We got all the present values of A and B. Okay, one more thing, we need to find the total values now. So total present value of cash inflows. These were the inflows. So for proposal A, it is 2,74,000. Just a minute, I'm writing it here below, I'll write. So for proposal A, for proposal B, present means total of this column, present value of cash inflows for proposal A. For proposal A, it is for proposal A, it will be 2,74,000. For proposal B, total present value is 4,10,140. Now we have to deduct present value of cash outflow. So outflow is given as 3 lakh and 4 lakh for A and B respectively. So here 3 lakh and here we will be getting 4 lakh. So just from inflows deduct these outflows. So here for A you will get value in negative. For proposal A you will get minus a negative value as 26,000. For B you will get positive value. Okay. So I hope it is clear. You know that we should accept proposal B. Why? Because A is giving negative NPV. This is the NPV and A is giving the negative NPV. So we should not accept A, but we should go with project B because it is giving us positive NPV. So like this also they can ask in the question that 2 or 3 proposals can be given. So you have to find out which one is the best one. If any proposal is giving you negative NPV, that one you should reject immediately. Even if all the proposals are giving negative NPV, so you should reject all the proposals. If there are proposals which are giving positive NPV and there are more than one proposal which is giving positive NPV, so you should prefer that one which is giving maximum NPV. I hope it is clear. So next we'll meet in the next video with the next new topic, new method of modern techniques. Thank you.